Hello, Mr. Ryan, are you right? Okay, so look, you know the Backspace key on the keyboard, right? What does it do?
It deletes the last character, latest character you.
It deletes the character before the, before the blinking cursor, yeah? Blinking cursor. So let's say we are given this string A, B, C, and then there's a lower, smaller, and minus. Okay, so that smaller and minus, these two characters together means we are pressing that backscape. So what do we get? What do we get as the final string? Ryan, Eric, come on, anybody? Ryan?
We get AB.
AB, okay, that's very good. Let me get another one which is more challenging, okay?
I bet it's not.
Okay, so what's this? What do we have? AB backscape, AB backscape, backscape, backscape.
Wait, let me see. Nothing.
Nothing. How do you even to count? How do you even to, yeah, that's nothing.
Let's go step by step.
Step, yeah, step by step.
A, B, and then there are 3 backspaces and there are 3 letters, so.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 keys, and we, yeah, that's very good. So,
La toilet.
so yeah, any questions?
La toilet. Yeah.
Yes?
I need la toilet.
Okay, then go. Okay.
What if the backspace is at the front?
Well done, that's a very good question. What if we have a backscape in the front? Then there's nothing. That's a very special case, okay? So like that, it's not. So, what kind of data structure can we use to do this? I mean,
Stack!
yes, stack, yeah, exactly. How do we do this? Look, for example, we take this one. A stack.
A, B, C.
So, what's the stack? First in?
First in, last out.
Yeah, no, like this. Okay, so A, B, put a B, put a C. Okay, then we have a backscape. So what do? We take the one out of the stack, yeah? So that's what we have, A, B. Okay, then we join these. We join the stack, right? So that's what we got. Okay?
Here.
So Eric, when we have a backscape in the front, we just do nothing, okay? Okay, so let's quickly write this, okay? Eric? So we're using the stack, we can do this using the stack easy. Okay? Define, let's say that we have this text editor. And we have this string. So we have a stack answer equals empty stack. Then we have we need to know the length. Okay? Okay? So now what do? So we just go through. So for Eric, and for I in what? In range n, right? So if I is bigger than, if it's on the second character, then we can check n as I equal minus n as I minus 1. The previous character is smaller than, yeah? Well, how do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call this?
Great. Less than, greater than.
Less than, yeah. Less than sun, yeah. Then what do? So we Pac-Man. Yeah.
Pac-Man.
Okay, come. Okay. I see. So look, what is this checking? If it's if this character is a minor and the previous one is the less than, that makes a backscape, then we need to do this answer.pop. But we also have to check if answer.
I need a toilet.
Okay, answer.pop. Right?
Need a toilet.
I'm going to explain this later. Okay, as go if you want to. Answer.append si, and then we return empty.join. What's join, by the way?
Joining stuff.
Oh, we join the answer. Okay, not join the answer is a stack. Okay, so look, let's emulate this. Okay, A, B, C. This one. Yeah. So answer at the beginning. Okay, it's not coming in. We put the A. Let's answer.append A. Alright, answer.append B. Answer.append C. Answer.append smaller than. Now, when we get to this point, yeah, it's pretty its current symbol character is minus. Its previous one is the less than equal. So what do? So we just take it out, and also take one character out. Okay? When
What?
yeah.
Yeah.
So why do we need to have this? That's to avoid that there's nothing before the basket. For example, like this one. So if this is a symbol, yeah. So what do we do? Come in there, come in here. So the stack we have the less than equal sign, less than equal sign, and then we go here. What do? We pop it. Then there's nothing left in the stack, so we don't pop. Okay. So that's one way. Okay. The other way is to what? It's quite similar. It's just the other way. Look, we're checking this current character and the previous one to make a backscape. Yeah, backscape.
Backspace. Not backscape.
Backscape.
No, backspace.
Backspace. Okay, sorry. Backspace. Yeah.
Backspace.
Okay, sorry. I thought it's backscape. Okay, backspace. Okay, BS.
Boom, boom.
BS.
Hello. Boom.
Okay, so another way we have this. This is quite similar. So answer. Then we have y I smaller than n. Then we check if I plus 1 smaller than n, and si equal this one, and si plus 1 equal minus. Okay,
One.
so this character and the next character makes a
That's
basket.
an underscore.
Okay. And then what do we do? So
That's
we have
still underscore.
No,
It
no,
needs
no,
to be in the middle.
no, we do what? If answer dot pop. Right? But for this one, we need to jump two character. I plus equals 2, else I plus equals 1, and then return dot join answer. Everyone, come on.
Yeah.
So what does it mean? Look. So this means that every time we go through this character one by one, and then we're checking if the current character, yeah, if current character is okay. So I probably need here answer the append. Okay, we have a missing answer the append si. So if this character is character is and the next character together is a backscape, then we need to pop one character. Backspace. Then we need to pop one character out of the stack.
It's not backscape.
And I plus
Escape.
equals 2. Otherwise, we can append this one, put it in the stack, and I plus equals 1. Right? Because every time we have a backspace, we need to ignore it and jump 2 characters ahead. Right? Make sense? Yeah? This is one. And this one is we checking this current character and the previous character. If it's a backspace, then we need to pop one. But at the same time, we have to pop another one. Because the first time we met Eric Ryan, too noisy. The first time we meet the backspace, we already push it to the stack. So we have to pop these again. So we have to pop this again, and this is just in both cases just to avoid that there's nothing in the stack, right? When there's nothing in the stack, when you press the backspace, nothing will happen. So okay, because if I don't put this check, what happens? If you try to pop from an empty stack, anyway, what happens? If
nothing.
No, the computer will scream because you're trying to pop something from the empty stack. The computer will say, okay, something is wrong. So that's why we have to check if the stack is empty or not, right? Okay?
Yeah.
Another way, okay, which is quite fancy. Okay, so look, A, B, backspace, B, C, backspace, D, okay? Look, if we can use the split function, remember, look, Eric, this is quite interesting. If we use the split function. Yeah. Look. Then what you become? You become A, B, B, C, D, right? Look. Yeah, that's the 3 groups. So what happened? So we just have to remove the last bit of each one, right?
If it's 2.
Unless, yeah, if it's not the last one, right? Do you get it? So look, AB, because we have a backspace, we did this. BC, we have backspace here, so we did this. So the result will be
A, B, D.
exactly. Yeah, do you get it?
Yeah,
So let me just remove this bit, okay? So how that will be quite interesting as well. Look, so what array equals s dot split. We split by this backspace, okay? And then answer. Okay, so answer equals what? Answer equals what? Equals the okay. So let's check. If not s, if s is empty, then we just return, okay? And answer equals, we have the first one first, so which is ARR 0. Then we go to for I in range. Probably we don't need the range. I in ARR, we start from the second one. So first time, so we need to get rid of the last character. This is a string, yeah, answer. So answer equals answer minus 1. Okay, for the string, we use this way to get rid of the last character, yeah. Up to minus 1 means to get rid of last character. And then answer plus equals I, right? So we need to plus the current character, yeah. Current group, okay? And then return answer. Okay, makes sense. The time complexity for all of it is O(n), right? We are going through each one time, right, Eric, right?
Yeah.
So we're going through the characters, the string, character by character, just one in one go. That's O(n) time. Space complexity for the first two, we're using the stack, O(n), right? For this one, we also need to use some additional array. Yeah, so that's O(n) as well. Right? So, okay, so to sum up, what have you learned today?
About backspace.
What about backscape? Backspace. So we are given a string, then we want to emulate the process of the keys typing using, and then we want to. The key thing today is what? What kind of data structure are we using? Stack, yeah, because every time we push the character by character to the stack, and then we have when we meet press the backspace, sorry, we just take one character out of the stack, yeah. So the thing is that the corner case is that that's very good, Ryan. You raised this question and Ari as well. So when there's nothing, how about the cases when we have the backspace and then the front? Nothing happened, right? Because when we need to check if the stack is not empty. If it's empty, then we do nothing, okay? Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.